Wewe Kaongo, wewe Zakayo.
Muthenya wa kiumia thiko ya kere kirumaniririo mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua
aende asiende
anyitanira na atongoria aruna ake kuhungura matura ma Githurai Nairobi, akahungura Gacarage na Muruka Murang'a, akihuragira ndebe na kwendia kioneki giake.
Muruka munasemaje?
Gachagua no athiete na mbere na kampeni ya kumatha kura cia githurano giukite kia mwaka wa 2027.
Usalama, nataka nitengeneze usalama ya Kenya. Rigiji ataweza hawezi? Anaweza hawezi? Na mnajua mimi nikisimama na huyu Kasongo nitamkimbiza kama baiskeli ya kuibiwa.
Lakini habari ni kwamba hata ukifanya hivyo bado watakupeleka nyumbani 2027.
Akiaria kanitha-ini wa PCA Rurengo mwena wa Nyeri, Rigathi augite ndagwika kampeni na ciraniro atakahota kuhingiria a Kenya kuona bururi nduri na mbeca.
Why does Rigathi Gachagua want to be president? I don't want to promise you lies that I'll build roads, I'll build dams, I'll connect electricity. Those are lies. The country is almost broke. We have a debt of 12 trillion. So telling people I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do that, they won't. If Kenyans elect me as president, Mungu akikubali, I don't want to promise lies to the people of Kenya. I want to do only one thing, to restore the Kenyan state to where Mwai Kibaki left us.
Augite hari maundu maria agateaniria ni igoti ria waki wa nyumba, akiuga akanengira nyumba icio thirikari cia kaunti niguo guciramata na oho kugacirithia ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri.
Rigathi Gachagua will restore the dignity of the payslip by scrapping the first day the housing levy and handing over all those houses to the county government to manage them, collect rent and pay back all those whose money was deducted.
Kurumirira mathina maria makoretwo magumeira ruhonge rwa githomo, augite ni agatigirira githomo ni giacoka haria kiari hindi ya President Muhuruku Mwai Kibaki,
so that when you have a card and you go to hospital, you are treated and you go home. Restore the education system, free primary education that Mwai Kibaki gave us. Make sure we restore the university financing model so that our children can get education which is an equalizer.
Hadi ni Inooro TV kumaka kaunti ya Nyeri, Jeta Theuri wa Bogo.